Hello mga kamarkimatics! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new episode of our math video tutorial na lagi kong ginagawa in this channel because this channel has an objective of making you, people on the screen, fall in love with mathematics. We are going to make mathematics easy for you to understand.
Look into my eyes and show me your
So for today's tutorial video, our lesson is all about operations on functions. We all know that we have four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But we are going to focus first on addition and subtraction of functions. In this video, you will learn how to add and subtract functions. In adding and subtracting functions, it is very important to have a review first on how to add and subtract polynomials. How do we add and subtract polynomials? Here are the steps. First, collect like terms. We all know that like terms are terms with the same variable with the same degree of exponent. Example, 4x and 5x. They both have the same variable, which is x. Example number 2. 3x squared and 4x squared. They are like terms because they have the same variable with the same degree of exponent, which is x squared. After collecting like terms, follow the rules in adding and subtracting integers. Rule number 1. If we have two like signs, perform the operation addition and copy the given sign. Example, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Because we have two positives, therefore, we are going to add 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Example number 2. Negative 3 minus 7. They both have the same negative, which means we are going to perform addition. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. The sign is negative because the given sign is negative. Rule number 2. If you have two unlike signs, such as positive and negative, perform the operation subtraction and copy the sign of the number with larger absolute value. Example, negative 4 plus 5. We have two unlike signs. We have one negative and one positive. Therefore, we are going to subtract 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. The sign is positive because the number with the larger absolute value is 5. Another example, negative 9 plus 2. Again, we have one negative and one positive. So we are going to perform the operation subtraction. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. The final sign is negative because 9 has a bigger absolute value than 2. After having a quick review on how to add and subtract polynomials, are you now ready for our lesson? We can now perform the operations on adding and subtracting functions. Please take note of these equivalent equations. If you have the quantity of f plus g of x by the distributive property of multiplication over addition, this is equal to f of x plus g of x. Another, if I have f minus g of x by the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, we have f times x, which is equal to fx, minus g times x, which is equal to g of x. Example number 1. F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 7x plus 9, and g of x is equal to negative 8x squared minus 9x plus 2. Then you are asked to perform the quantity of f plus g of x. We all know that by the distributive property of multiplication over addition, this is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, the value of f of x is we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 9 plus g of x is negative 8x squared minus 9x plus 2. As stated in the rules of adding and subtracting polynomials, the first process is to collect like terms. 2x squared and negative 8x squared are like terms. So we have 2x squared minus 8x squared. Negative 7x and negative 9x. And we have positive 9 and positive 2. Then, we have 2x squared minus 8x squared. We have one positive and one negative. So, the operation that we are going to use is subtraction. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. The sign is negative because 8 is bigger than 2. Then all you have to do is to copy x squared. Then we have negative 7x and negative 9x. Both of them are negative. So we are going to use the operation addition. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. The final sign is negative because all you have to do is to copy the given sign. Then we have 9 plus 2. Both of them are positive, so we are just going to add. So we have 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Since we do not have any like terms here, we cannot add negative 6, negative 16, and positive 11 because they are not like terms. This is already the final answer. Example number 2. If you are asked to perform the quantity of f minus g of x, this is equal to f of x minus g of x. So the first process is, we are just going to copy f of x, which is 2x squared minus 7x plus 9. If the operation is subtraction, all you have to do is to enclose g of x or the second expression into parentheses. So we have negative 8x squared minus 9x plus 2. Then, we will be having 2x squared minus 7x plus 9. You are going to distribute negative sign to all terms inside the parentheses. Negative times negative 8x squared is positive 8x squared. Negative times negative 9x is positive 9x. And negative times positive 2 is negative 2. After distributing negative, all you have to do is to collect like terms. We have 2x squared and positive 8x squared. 2x squared plus 8x squared. Negative 7x and positive 9x. Positive 9 and negative 2. After collecting like terms, perform the indicated operation. 2x squared plus 8x squared, both of them are positive, so we are just going to add 2 plus 8. So we have 10, then just copy x squared. Negative 7x and positive 9x. We have a like sign, so we are going to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2, then copy x. The final sign is positive because 9 is bigger than 7. Then we have 9 minus 2, which is equal to positive 7 because 9 is bigger than 2. Therefore, the quantity of f minus g of x is equal to 10x squared plus 2x plus 7. For our next example, the given functions are f of x is equal to negative 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 11. And g of x is equal to negative 7x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 13. Let us perform f plus g of x. So this is equal to f of x plus g of x. So we have f of x is equal to negative 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 11 plus g of x is negative 7x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 13. Again, if it is addition, we go directly with collecting like terms. We have negative 4x cubed and negative 7x cubed. So we have negative 4x cubed minus 7x cubed. Positive 2x squared and positive 5x squared. We doesn't have any x here, so we have negative 4x, so negative 11, positive 13. After collecting like terms, perform the rules in adding and subtracting integers. We have negative 4 and negative 7. Both of them are negative, so we are going to add. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. The sign is negative because you are just going to copy the given sign and copy the like term. Then, positive 2x squared and positive 5x squared, both of them are positive, so we have 2 plus 5, we have positive 7. Just copy the given sign and the given variable. So we have negative 4x doesn't have any like term, so just copy as is. Then we have negative 11 plus 13 is equal to, we have negative and positive, so we are going to subtract. 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. The sign is positive because 13 is bigger than 11. Therefore, f plus g of x is equal to negative 11x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 2. Then, if we are asked to subtract the function f minus g of x, that is equal to f of x minus g of x. So we will be having f of x is equal to negative 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 11. Since the operation is subtraction, we are going to enclose the second expression into parentheses. We have negative 7x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 13. If it is subtraction, the first process is to distribute the negative sign. Negative times negative is positive 7x cubed. Negative times positive 5x squared is negative 5x squared. Negative times negative 4x is positive 4x. And negative times positive 13 is negative 13. Then, collect like terms. Negative 4x cubed and positive 7x cubed. Positive 2x squared and negative 5x squared. Positive 4x and negative 11 and negative 13. After collecting like terms, perform the operation or the rules in adding and subtracting integers. So we have negative 4x cubed plus 7x cubed. All you have to do is to perform negative 4 and positive 7. We have 1 negative and 1 positive. So we are going to subtract. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. The answer is positive because 7 is bigger than 4. Then copy x cubed. Then we have positive 2 and negative 5. Again, we have 1 positive and 1 negative. So the operation that we are going to use is subtraction. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So the sign is negative because 5 is bigger than 2. Then copy x squared. So 4x, just bring down 4x, and we have negative 11 minus 13. So we have two negatives. So the operation to be used is addition. 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. Then just copy the given sign, which is negative. Therefore, f minus g of x given these functions is equal to 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 24. And that concludes our video tutorial about adding and subtracting functions. Do you have any question? If there is none, can you add and subtract these functions? If you already have your answer, feel free to answer or put it in the comment section. Hey mga kamarkimatics! Did you learn from this video tutorial? If your answer is yes, do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Give me thumbs up and click the notification bell for more exciting math video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and until our next lesson. God bless everyone. Do not forget that in learning mathematics, it takes courage and patience. You can do